The LG G7 ThinQ goes official, and believe it or not, it's actually better than we expected. Apple may be merging iOS and macOS after all, but not necessarily this year. And we already have certification documents for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I'm Jaime Rivera, and early certifications in addition to an early video. I'm spaced out because it's been a crazy day, but let's get to the news. This is Pocketnow Daily. Official news today begin with, Facebook's recent event that looked pretty much like if it was a full-blown product announcement, and it was to a certain degree, mainly because of the company's pretty much launch of the Oculus Go, and mainly not necessarily just the hardware for $199. That's not the biggest news. It's really the platform. They want to make this something really big, where you can even, if you saw the event, you can even walk into like your old home with your family and look at photos that you took in specific areas. There are a ton of things that are coming with this platform. I'm not necessarily going to call this cool or not, but it is definitely unique. Now let's talk about the LG V30S ThinQ. I don't even know why we're talking about this phone right now with the G7, but the G7 is left for the end, don't worry. V30S ThinQ is now available on B&H for $930, and obviously it's a V, it's got a couple of extra things you can learn more about, but $930 and now? Yeah? No. Now, I don't know why we're covering this so early, but according to sources, there is already a certification for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in China. Pretty much everything that we have in the specifications of the Galaxy S9 is what we're getting on this Note 9, and certification documents are official now. There are no photos of the phone. There is nothing that we can provide in addition to just the fact that it got announced, but yeah, certification is in. Let's see how early we get the phone. Hopefully we get it earlier than always. Now, for those of you that were thinking that Apple might never merge iOS with macOS, apparently the project is being jump-started again. It was a Project Marzipan, and we don't exactly know what that means, but apparently the company is still going to get this done. When is it going to happen? It's not going to happen this year. Apparently it will happen next year. We're not exactly sure if it's going to be the future of iPads, given all the decline of tablets. But I think that it's the smartest thing that Apple can do, given exactly that. But hey, tablets have declined globally, so anyways. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the LG G7 ThinQ that was announced today. I actually had to pre-record this video to be able to go to the event. Our hands-on had already happened. We had some time with the phone. My initial impressions, as you will see in the hands-on, are that actually this phone is not bad. Some people are calling it a Me Too phone. I am not, because LG focuses a lot more on content consumption than other companies, and I feel that LG does it better. I also prefer the wide-angle camera on the LG G7 over pretty much almost every other approach out there. I'm not saying that the camera is better, I'm just saying that it's more useful in many scenarios. But obviously you've seen the hands-on. Let us know in the comments, what do you think about the LG G7 ThinQ? Again, I like it, but let us know in the comments what you think. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our hands-on video of the LG G7 ThinQ down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.